Hello and welcome back guys. So in this video we will see the complete workflow, everything you need to know in this hotel management system. So let's open this hotel management system. By default it will show everything on a single user interface. No need to switch in different menus are fine. So everything's, and for example you want to move from here, so just click and it will see the magic. So let me go back to the dashboard. So let me explain everything. In this case we have only one hostels, and these hostels have 4 buildings, floors and rooms, everything, beds, and there, for example, guest, it's a visitor currently in these hostels. Okay, if I click, so every data of this visitor will become in which rooms he is and person he want to meet, everything. Okay, so I hope is clear. And the first thing is how to, for example, you want to see the availabilities of beds and occupied, everything's here, pending invoice, and there's something, for example, someone's who did not pay the invoices, and finally monthly revenue from this by default. Okay, so let me go to the configurations. First of all, I will go to the property and I will create one hotels, and here I have only, okay, in my case Bando. Let's see is Bando 2, just for examples, BNU 2, and the hotel manager is this person, and that's it. And after that we will, for examples, create in bulks everything. For this we need to configurations and bulk setups. Here just you need to select the new hotels. So what you want to create, I want to create 4 setups. Okay, everything, number of buildings, this hotel have 1 building. Okay, and you can change the names of these buildings as well as you can leave by default. Floors, for example, I'm saying 3 floors, and including ground ones. You can also put this one if there is. Room per floor is this, and beds per room is this. Share room, yeah, it's share room, and this room details. And daily rate of this room is, for example, in my case is 250, weekly is 7, and monthly is, for example, this. Okay, so let me generate in bulk. So it will generate everything in bulk. See, it's created everything on a single click. Let me go to the dashboard. So you will see we have 2 hotels, and it's building also coming, floor, rooms, everything. If you come to the down left side, here the hotel wise occupancy, Banuto 1 building we have, and 120 beds we have available, all available we have. And if, for example, I went to these hotels, this was, and 1 building we have, so let me visit this ones. Okay, so it has 3 floors, these rooms and beds. Again you can visit to each rooms, open any rooms, 4 beds available, its property, everything you need to create. Okay, so after that, for example, someone came and enter to the hostel. So on the front desk or help desk, so we are giving bookings. So let's book the guest. You can put the guest name, for example, in my case is Asim, and guest mobile number, I will put random, NIC for the security purpose and in future. So it will show you the available. Okay, so let me put this one, everything it will come automatically. Okay, so daily if is stay like daily basis, monthly basis. If I select like monthly basis, so automatically it will come. Let me select the bed of building 1 and first floor. I will select this. For the second, we created second. Okay, so that's it. It's okay. By default this one is okay, and I will create. Okay, sorry, expected checkout, let's say this ones, but it's like not compulsory. Putting is compulsory, but it's not like affect any calculation on the invoice and anything. So this person is checkout and check-in, and for example it's going to checkout. Let's say checkout, create invoice, and see here the invoices of this price. So everything is coming here for the purpose of history, product history. Let's say confirms and pay. Okay, rest is depend upon your configurations, account configuration. So it's already paid. Let's go back and to bookings and see is invoiced. So I hope everything is clear now. If there anything else or you need any other things, and the module link is in the descriptions, you can download from there, and their maintenance and room inspections things also available. So I hope everything is clear now. See you in next video. Bye.